It's only a test.
It's just a test.
On the first Tuesday of every month, 112 sirens are flipped on all around Chicago. The year is 1942. The bombing of Pearl Harbor led to the creation of a warning system across the United States. And in April of 1942, Chicago had its first ever test. Throughout the remainder of World War II, sirens were banned outside of this test, and emergency alert vehicles had to resort to bells and whistles.
This is from River North.
For years, this sound had nothing to do with tornadoes.
North of downtown.
In fear of nuclear attacks, this sound was associated with war times. And what better way to celebrate a 1959 Chicago White Sox pennant win than sounding the alarm system for 5 minutes? And that's why the Chicago White Sox are the most hated team in Chicago. Fast forward to 2021 and we associate this sound with tornadoes. It's just a test.